not trusting this car to get us there, actually.
Not on this very loose gravel.
Another car.
Should we ask them to save us now while they're here?
No, I think they definitely have the tires to get through this.
Right. What do we have? Laurel Summit State Park.
Not the one we're looking for.
We're looking for a different state park in the next 4 miles?
Linn State Park.
Well, hopefully it's right next door.
Some signage.
Adam Falls.
Okay.
So look around for Flat Rock Trailhead. There it is.
Aha. Aha. Okay. I'm gonna go find some ruins.
Hopefully.
According to our trusted sources, we want to find the ruins on Flat Rock Trail, which is to the left.
Yep, looks like.
We heard they aren't too far on the trail, maybe about 400 yards or so. So our best bet is to just walk that way and see what we see.
Okay.
Although one day we'll have to come back and explore this whole area.
Yeah, Adam Falls sounds nice.
Maybe stay a night or two. They have some really cute cabins.
Yeah. Hey, is that it?
That is not it.
Okay.
It's a very modern, intact cabin. But it makes sense that we see some of these structures out here, cabins and maybe some lodges and things like that, because this area, at the time when the gun club was constructed, was a prime location for these lodges to be built.
It's
easy to see why.
Yeah.
There's plenty of beautiful woods, forest, a creek. So
Nice spot.
it's a nice spot, and I think we're gonna see.
Is that it?
That's not it.
That's not it either. Okay.
So it blends in really well, but we believe we found the ruins.
I think you're right.
Here they are.
Oh, wow.
Wow. This is fun. This is a really fun find.
This is definitely ruins.
So this was the McGinnis Rod and Gun Club. Sadly, after 20 years, a fire started. I'm not sure the exact origin. I don't think anyone is. It may have been a kitchen fire, but everything burned down except for the chimney and the concrete foundations. There are a couple of photos online of the gun club in its prime. Maybe we can do a comparison.
Okay.
To see those. What I love about ruins like these is that we don't have a full story. It's not a historical building. It just was once a bustling place that kind of had a tragedy happen, and now they're just left behind for hikers to stumble across.
Yeah, pretty neat. Literally stumbling.
Literally.
Well, the club was around for only about 20 years before it was destroyed by a fire, leaving only these stone walls that you see, and of course the fireplace and the chimney. There's a little doorway here, possibly a doorway there, or maybe that was just the wall that came down. And there's another small little structure here. What is this? Ooh. What could this have been? This is still covered by a slab of cement or something.
Have a seat.
I don't know. No, thank you.
Oh.
I can not even, well, I can almost stand up in here.
Maybe it had something to do with the kitchen. I don't know.
Could be. Let's see.
A lot of guesswork with ruins like these, just kind of an observational piece.
Yeah. It is right by the creek here. This is very nice.
It would have been a perfect setting for a lodge.
Uh-huh. You have a nice little overlook now. And now it looks like they have a more modern cabin over there that you could possibly stay in or meet people at.
They might be watching us from the window.
They might be. Although I don't see any cars around, so.
That's true.
I think they're probably all empty on a Wednesday. All right, I'm gonna go back in through the window.
Okay.
Neat find here in Linn State Park. Off to our next one.